This cheerful song teaches us to use handrails safely while walking on stairs, maybe.
Hey, hey, hey!
School bell rings, it's time to go. Walking safely, nice and slow. Emma says, hold rails tight. Lucas smiles, that helps us right. Steps go up and steps go down. Safe, calm feet all through the town. Both hands near the rail with care. Helpful habits everywhere. No fast jumping on the stairs. Safe's my choices, show we care. Eyes look forward while we walk. Calm, safe habits while we talk. Teacher smiles beside the way. Safety helps us every day. Emma walks with steady feet. Lucas keeps his balance neat. Friends move slowly one by one. Safe stair walking can be fun. Holding rails through every turn. Helpful habits help us learn. Emma, Lucas proudly say, we use handrails every day. Gentle footsteps, nice and slow. That's the way safe students go. Hold the rail and stay aware. Showing others that you care. Safe, calm habits help us see school's work